Hi, want to quit my hub has an information auditor, but I cannot shouldn't if I quit my hub, I won't have a stability income next month. If I don't have a stable income, I won't be able to pay my rent or cover basic experience like food, transportation, and internet. If I can't pay my rent, I might lose my apartment and have to move it back with my parents. If I go to my parents' house, lose my independence and feel really frustrated. If I feel frustrated, I want to be able to focus on finding a new hope. If I don't fit a hot song, you'll run out of song quickly and has very stressing. If I get too stressing, I may develop health problems or anxiety. So every time I want to quit my hobby right now. I cannot is bad decisions. Um, I want to eat for now. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.